I'm here today with the CEO and founder of LumiTherapy. I'm Joya Doss with Small Cap Nation. Welcome.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Welcome to you. You know, I've read about light therapy being used in sports medicine, but you're using this in a very different capacity.
That's right. We are an ophthalmology medical device company, and we're developing it to prevent vision loss in the elderly, particularly those that have age-related macular degeneration, the dry form. And there's no treatment right now for those patients. They slowly lose their vision over several years. So we're developing a new therapy for that.
So walk me through the process. I mean, the retina, as you said, is probably the biggest place where you're seeing an impact, but it goes even one step further where you're really energizing the cells to be able to help the body repair itself.
That's right. We're using selective wavelengths that can stimulate blood flow and energy production at the retinal level. And the retina is where, as we age, the retina gets tired. It starts to be susceptible to a variety of age-related diseases, including glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration. And so we're really living longer now. We're starting to see a lot of these age-related diseases. We hope to have a non-invasive, cost-effective therapy to treat early and prevent that vision loss. It's very similar to what we're seeing that's used to treat millions every day in sports medicine, in arthritis to reduce inflammation, stimulate blood flow. We're improving the cell's performance, and in doing so, we can see patients get improvement in their vision, and more importantly, in the eye, which is the organ that's most receptive to light, we can see the pathology, and we're actually seeing the pathology regress after treatment.
How big is this market that we're talking about?
In the United States right now, there's about 11 million people with AMD.
Is anybody else in the market doing what you're doing?
No, we're the only company in North America that's treating. Photobiomodulation is the technology we're using, and it's using wavelengths of selected light, typically in the visible to near infrared, to stimulate cellular function.
And how far away from this coming to market and being a mainstream product?
Well, right now we're making our instruments at the manufacturing floor. We anticipate being approved in Canada in early 2017, and then getting CE mark, which will allow us to go to Europe and do a multi-center trial. In the United States, we hope to be here in about 2 years.
How much revenue could you possibly glean from this product?
Well, just the United States, it's expected that the population is going to double by 2020, from 11 to about 22 million. Overall, in about 20 years, you're going to see about 25 million patients in North America, 65 million in Europe, and over 100 million in Asia. This is an area that is very large in terms of the commercial potential. There are no treatments for dry age-related macular degeneration, but this instrument could be a mainstay in the doctor's office, so it could treat other injury to the eye, other retinal disease. And so there are several companies, both large pharmaceutical as well as medical devices in the ophthalmology space, that would ultimately be our partner or could potentially be our acquisition. So we make an instrument that's ocular safe. It's a light emitting diode of different wavelengths, and this instrument can work in the ophthalmologist's office very quickly to treat patients.
In the macular degeneration market, how large is that in terms of
It's
scope?
going to be about 300 million patients.
So
in the
there's a
next
real
20
opportunity
years.
for you.
It's a huge opportunity. This is something that we're bringing to the market in the next 6 months. And this is something that can have a huge impact in the world right now, in the quality of life. And we need to treat early and cost effectively, and we can do that.
Clark, thank you so much. Thank you for being here
Thank you,
today.
Joy.
That is the latest on a company called LumiThera that's bringing some innovative therapies to eye disease for the aging.